In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set Google as your homepage in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make your browser open on the Google homepage every time you launch Firefox, so you can start searching faster and make your browsing experience a lot more convenient. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu icon with the three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu. From here, click Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left-hand panel and click Home. This is where Firefox lets you control what appears when you open the browser or a new window. Under the section labeled Homepage and New Windows, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and select Custom URLs. After choosing Custom URLs, click the option that says Choose a specific site. This tells Firefox that you want to manually set your homepage instead of using the default start page. Now type https://www.google.com into the field. Make sure the web address is entered correctly so Firefox knows exactly which page to load. Once the address is entered, click Add Address. And that's it. Google is now set as your homepage in Firefox. The next time you open the browser, it should take you straight to Google, saving you time and giving you a simple starting point for every browsing session. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Firefox and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.